I will complete within 1 week all the these types of temple and certain churches and mosques. The purpose is a mass prayer before the Almighty for the welfare of the people, welfare of Goa, and the unity and integrity of the nation. Prayer before that. That's what I am doing, and through that process, I got wonderful ideas because each and every temple tells the story of good people of Goa, their Portuguese arrival here, and certain atrocities here, and by overcoming that, how the people, these temples, and the temple is concerned very neat. Here also very neat. When I reached here, I saw a Pakka ordinary place and very happy. And Kushal Kalyan Yatra. This is my fifth Yatra. First Yatra was Gramin Sambarka Yatra. That's over. Then forest areas, and I have published a book on the great trees of Goa in our forests and in our other places. And thirdly, all islands I covered. And fourthly, hill areas. And fifthly, this Yatra. So, supreme under the system, under the constitution is people. All are serving the nation and people. Devasthan is also bound to serve the people, not a superior body over the people. So that is why I am conducting all these yatras during the last 4 years, and I am very happy that Temple Yatra giving me more courage, more realization of the truth, and in that way our honorable MLA also is a wonderful person in India. I studied about him. He is a roaring practitioner, and he is widely accepted as one of the best high servants in Goa. And even my wife consultation, I sent her to our doctor, and at the same time serving the people also, spending time. So it's a miraculous thing. I congratulate him, and thank you very much for